Look at this, look.
Oh my god.
I don't even know how do you even do this?
Okay, yeah. You guys know I literally can't cook. You might have seen me try to cook once before.
Ew!
But every time it's like a total fail.
Why is it like bubblegum textured?
So today in my professionals teach me how to do stuff series, I thought it would be fun to do a twist on it because I can't cook and get a professional chef to teach me how to cook. This is my dear friend Kylie, a food blogger extraordinaire. She has a fabulous blog called Cooking with Cocktail Rings. You can look at these recipes she makes. Looks like a magazine. We were actually sorority sisters back in college. You can see us here. Oh my god, look at us, such babies. So we're gonna see if she can teach me to DIY some magazine quality food too. Well, or at least something kind of close. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to, for the first time ever, my kitchen. Okay, so it's not actually the first time. I have had you in my kitchen a few times, but as you saw in the little intro, I am not exactly a chef extraordinaire. Anyways, today I thought it would be fun to invite my dear friend Kylie. Hi, Kylie. She is a professional food blogger extraordinaire, and she is going to teach me how to cook, right?
Yep. You got this.
She hasn't seen me in the kitchen yet, sure.
Well, we'll see how it goes.
You're gonna be horrified. She's so talented, so this will be really interesting. So, without further ado, here we go. This professional chef tries to teach me how to cook.
Here we go.
Woo! Look, real chefery is occurring in here. I don't think my kitchen has ever seen any cooking occur ever.
I bring my own things.
I don't even have a knife. Okay, Kylie, what are we gonna make today?
Today we're making our truffle grilled cheese with some arugula and sauteed mushrooms.
So we have all the ingredients here. Oh my god, we got some mushrooms, some cheese, some this, whatever. We got the bread. We love Trader Joe's. Yes, we do. Okay, so what is the first step? What do
We're gonna slice up our mushrooms and then saute them up.
Alrighty, let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna cut some mushrooms.
Yep, we're cutting those mushrooms. You got your knife?
Me with a knife is so dangerous.
It's scary. It's scary. I don't want to be close.
Okay, so I don't even know how to hold a knife. Like, what do I do?
So you're going like this? Pull around?
Oh, touch the knife?
Touch the knife. You're not gonna cut yourself. I promise. Because otherwise it's wobbling around up here.
I'm already nervous. I'm like shaking and I don't hold it. Be careful, guys. You do not want to see me with a knife in the kitchen. I'm probably gonna like cut my fingers off. Okay. So here's a professional cutting a mushroom. What? They look so pretty. And you make it look not hard. That's the goal. I am a chef. She is chefing.
Nice and slow.
Yeah.
Watch those fingies.
Hey, guess who cut which one?
Practice makes perfect, Amber. You got this.
Like, how is yours so skinny? Mine's thick. She should be an Instagram model. Okay, whatever. It's fine. All together, you can't tell. Look at my rings. Woo! Fabulous. I'm overcutting the mushrooms.
On to the next step.
Yeah, what's next?
We're gonna saute them. Gotta heat that pan.
Saute sounds hard. I don't think I've ever used this in my life. So this is your pan. I was like, where did I get this from? It's gonna wait till it's hot.
Don't touch the pan.
It seems a little warmish.
When it gets hot, water should sizzle. It's not sizzling yet.
So it's not even warm. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Is it hot? Yes! Oh, that's fun. That's gourmet. I don't think I could make spicy water. I'd probably still burn it. Okay. What do I do with this?
Oil to the pan.
Ooh.
Now throw those shroomies in.
All of them?
All of them.
Woo! That's nice. Oh, wow. This is like the cooking channel. Hey. Alrighty, we're adding some butter. Woo! Looks good. Also, I like never wear red lipstick. This is so weird. I like literally feel like I'm a different person in this video. Wow. Wow! By the way, this is the NARS Stargirl lip stain. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's the one that I picked in my red lipstick Olympics all those years ago. Fabulous. 10 out of 10. I'm like doing makeup reviews while I'm supposed to be cooking. I'm sorry. Okay, yes. Cooking. Anyways. Mushrooms got shy and shriveled up and got small. Now there's like none. Wow! Eat some more of them. Has none left to actually cook with.
That's what I do all the time.
Bro.
Always make double.
Good tip. Are there any techniques for this thing?
And then you're gonna go forward and pull back.
Well, I live to tell the tale of
There's
this.
only one way to find out.
I feel like I'm gonna die. You know what? Confidence is key.
They're heavy. One fell on the floor, but it almost counted.
Okay, so next on the list is cheese. This is beautiful cheese. I probably shouldn't be picking it up like that, but what? So tips for cutting cheese. Any cheese cutting tips?
Use a sharp knife.
That's it? That's all we gotta do? That's a good, easy one-liner. Okay, this slice isn't really, that one didn't turn out quite that good, but we can try the cheese. Oh, fabulous. See, there we go. This is my version of cooking. You just open it, and then you eat it. 30-second meals with Amber. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Okay, so now we got our bread. So what's the tea? What do we do with this now?
Okay, so now we're gonna spread our butter.
Butter?
Butter on the bread.
Ooh, butter on the bread. Oh.
This is a really big knife for this, but Amber has no other knives.
Hey! Aesthetics over practicality any day. We are buttering the toast. Will you butter my muffin or whatever that Mean Girls quote is? I don't know. How does your buttered toast look better than my buttered toast? Doesn't even make any sense. So we reheated the pan. Now we're truffle oiling. Oh. Okay, and I just put it in
Butter
here.
side down.
Butter side down. Got it, got it. That's it? This is all?
Uh-huh. And now we
Oh,
layer
it sounds
cheese.
good. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Look at that. Cooking. Pour on the mushroom. Oh, I'm just gonna eat one again. This is arugula. We're gonna put that on it now.
Gotta have our greens.
Greens for, you know, the health. I could literally just eat a bowl of mushrooms. It's disgusting, but it's really good. This is hilarious. What even is this?
It's a stormtrooper. It's from Star Wars.
Oh, I've never seen Star Wars. Cool. So these are like my only plates, and this is not gonna fit. But we're gonna put it on there anyway.
They look like they're from a tea set.
They are. So have this. This is really pretty. I got this in London, but it makes no sense to put a grilled cheese in this, so. Wow, look how pretty he is. He's getting a nice tan.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. I actually really like burnt toast.
But I won't let her make it that way.
She's not gonna let me burn the sandwich, but maybe it was just like natural selection. Like I decided I liked burnt toast because I kept burning everything. The cheese, it's doing the thing. Okay, welcome back, Betty Crocker here. Dun 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 dun. Woo! Mission accomplished. I would slap my ass, but this has grease on it. Dun dun. Oh, did you hear that? Wow. Oh, we should do the thing. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, that looks so phallic but delicious. Dun dun. Wow.
Smell the truffle.
This is gonna be my new favorite perfume scent. Is it weird to like smell this? I'm sorry. Okay, you ready to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers!
Oh my god. Is this sexy? How'd you do?
This is so good.
I cooked it?
You did that. If I can make this, literally anyone can make it.
You did great.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
ASMR sexy sandwich eating. Is anyone still watching? Don't click out yet, we're not done. So guys, we're turning this into a mukbang video. Live Q&A, what do you want to know? Thank you for asking. It's not a live video, so I can't actually do that. But if you want to see a mukbang, let me know. It'll be very fabulous. Just like this. Okay, before I get demonetized, 1 sec. You're telling me we have to clean? clean up? What a scam. I'm never cooking again. afraid to try something new, even something that you're notoriously bad at, because you never know, maybe someday you'll make a really good sandwich. Not really a really great moral, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say. Of course, huge shout out again to Kylie for helping me. Thanks, sis.
Happy to help.
Literally, sis. Like I said, sorority sisters. Way. Delta, delta, delta. Can I help you? Help you? Wow, throwback. All the love in the world and then some. Till next time. XO.
I literally have cookbooks for decoration in here. I've never used this, but I got these online. I thought they were cool. Look how cool. It's like a French. Oh, it's not French. It's normal English. I thought this was a French cookbook. Did I make that up? They're so pretty though. Just the gourmet cookbook. Well, who knew?